It gives me immense pleasure to be present here on this inaugural inaugural function of the Trade Carnival, where State Bank of Hyderabad has been associated, and we are very proud to be associated with this event. In fact, last year also I had come, and I was a part of the valediction function last time. I had also visited the carnival at least on 2 occasions during the 3-day period, and I found the public response to be really very, very overwhelming and enthusiastic. Hope that this year this response is going to be still much better than previous year, because every year Covey has been showing tremendous growth and improvement in their presence and activities. I'll take only 2 minutes to briefly introduce our bank and our banks. I'll take only 2 minutes to associated with financing of SMEs, MSMEs, and especially women entrepreneurs. We are 100% owned subsidiary of State Bank of India. We have 1237 branches at present and 1068 ATMs. Our deposits are 80,000 crores and our advances are 55,000 crores today. Out of these 1237 branches, about 800 branches are in the state of Andhra Pradesh itself, and our main area of operation is certainly Andhra Pradesh, parts of Maharashtra which are erstwhile Nizam's state, that is Marathwada area, and again parts of Karnataka. We are very strong in Gulbarga, Raichur, that area. But we have presence all over India. We have 11 zonal offices and regional offices headed by DGMs, and in all 30 regional offices. I'll take only a little time for introducing for MSMEs. Today our advances to MSMEs are 8,500 crores, and we have a special package for women entrepreneurs which is called Stri Shakti package, where we provide concession in margin, concession in rate of interest, concession in processing fee, upfront fee, and also very easy support which is available for women entrepreneurs in the form of advisories, guidance, counseling, project preparation, and all such supportive activities. I am sure that many of the members of Covey are already taking financial support from State Bank of Hyderabad. I do not have the numbers here, but I will only request those who are present here or those who are participating in this event that our officials will be visiting during this 3-day period. Kindly get in touch with them. They will be guiding you, they will be helping you for such financial support which you need for setting up your enterprises and setting up new projects. It will be definitely our pleasure and our privilege to provide you all sorts of support for your enterprises. I also congratulate Covey for launching their local Delhi chapter, which is being inaugurated by Honorable Minister. I wish you all the success in your Delhi venture also and subsequent such expansion activities.